Well. Testing the brakes. Testing the brakes after I poured in the .3 brake fluid instead of 4. There's no big deal if you mix 3 and 4. I mean, if you're gonna just use it for a little while anyways, it's not the end of the world, but you can use it maybe for a couple of weeks. It's not a big deal. The only reason why, I mean, one of the biggest reasons why you would put .4, that the car requires .4, is that .4 can handle higher temperatures. It's so dark in here. Dark garage. It's a dungeon, this garage. Anyways, it can handle higher temperatures much easier, so that's why .4 is better than .3, and these cars like to take .4. There's also .5 or .5.1 or something like that, but that's already silicone based or some shit like that. I don't know the composition of it, the chemistry of it, so let's test it out. Let's go for a little ride and see how that comes out. The brake pedal already feels stiffer than before, somewhat stiffer. Let me put the seat belt. Garage openers here. Okay, let's go, bro. Let's see how it turns out. Anyways, this is, like I said, it's just a temporary measure because I would do the maintenance on the car myself, but I can't do it this is a condominium, so I can't do it here in the garage. I can't do any, I can wash the car in here, but I can't do any maintenance. I can't change the oil. I can't do any mechanical work per se on the car. So unfortunately, that's what it is. It is what it is. So I have to take it to a garage to get it done. This car has hill assist with the brake, so I remove my foot from the pedal. The car should stay stationary. Kind of like a Subaru, I guess. Let's go, bro. I don't like the seating position. Adjust the seat. I'm always adjusting the seat. I feel that my legs grow every time I come out of the car or go into the car. How does the pedal feel? That feels okay. It could be better. It could be better. Anyways, it's good enough until I decide to take the car for the B1 maintenance. So change the engine oil filter, the air cabin filter, which is not hard to replace. I can do that myself. 2 filters for the engine, for the intake, brake fluid replacement, yada yada yada, so on and so forth. It's a little bit better, the brake pedal, the feel. It's already done an improvement. So yeah, happy for now until I get the car perfect. The lights went out. The red big warning sign. It feels much better, the brakes, much better, but not to where I would want it to be, but I'll survive. I'm still not very happy with the seating position. I don't know what it is. I feel like my legs and my arms, they grow every time I come back into the car. Oh, they're testing that electric car there. Little electric race car. Maybe I'll go back there and film it a bit. Maybe not. Is my camera working? Yes. Do a little downshift here. I'm on the bike path. Okay, it feels better. Not bad. A little bit better. It's not 100%, but it's good for the time being. find this car's too quiet. The exhaust is too quiet. Ever since I bought it, I didn't buy it to announce my my presence, but I like when cars make a little bit more of a grunt. And I had the Mini Cooper before. It made a little bit more noise than this, but the Mini Cooper was very short wheelbase and also extremely harsh ride. So I wasn't enjoying it that much. So I decided to get this instead. I found in a manual transmission, 6-speed manual,